Most people think you need tech skills to make money with AI, but that's not true. Today, I'll show you beginner-friendly ways to earn using free AI tools. No coding, no experience. First, content creation. AI can help you write scripts, blog posts, product descriptions, and social media content. Businesses pay for this every day. Second, AI design. Tools like Canva and Adobe Express can create thumbnails, logos, and social media graphics fast. Creators and small businesses always need visuals. Third, automation. Tools like Zapier and Make can automate emails, scheduling, and repetitive tasks. You can charge clients to set up simple automations that save them hours. Fourth, digital products. Use AI to create templates, planners, ebooks, or guides. Upload them to Etsy or Gumroad and earn passively. Fifth, video creation. AI can help you write scripts, generate B-roll, and edit clips. You can sell short-form videos or grow your own channel. You don't need to be an expert. Pick one method, learn the basics, and start offering value. AI does the heavy lifting. You focus on results. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on any of these methods, tell me which one and I'll break it down.